your dogs. And your cats, she look like my Goldie. They look like my Goldie, but only different face. Okay, Rex, you have a wizard. Yeah, Aaron, you have to. We have Rex here, Aaron, and Rex is Sophie. Her name actually is Sophie. Rex is the name of her lizard. Sophie, you have to entertain Aaron over here. Aaron is only 11 years old, living here in the Philippines. You know, he is also my friend. Okay, Sophie. Ayan. Okay, right, guys. Okay, let's just all be friends here in my life. Ayan. So, Aaron, Rex, you have a wizard. No, she have a lizard, Aaron. I can't find his channel. Miley, so you didn't click her channel, you know, when we were doing live. When we were doing live, Aaron. It's just okay. You just do not just pressure yourself that. Okay, I will try to find Miley later. Okay, I will try to find Miley later, and I will ask her what happened to her, if she's okay. Okay, Aaron, ano ulam mo, Ate Jinky? Actually chicken, yung lechon manok. Rex, I love fish and eating some cooked fish, but fish gut always makes me ew. Yeah, I don't eat fish guts too. I don't eat fish. Oh, Docor! We have Docor here. And Mike Tina here in the house. Hello, Ma'am Mike Tina. Thank you so much for being here, Mike Tina, into my live. Thank you very much, Mike Tina. Hi! Hello! Welcome to my channel here, Mike Tina, and I'm 11 years old too. Okay, Sophie and Aaron, you are the same age. So I would like to shout out Docor. Okay, Docor. Shout out Izobo Kititimo. I don't know how to. Message is being retracted. I don't know what you're trying to say actually. And also I would like to welcome Mike Tina over here. Thank you so much for being here in my live. Mike Tina, hello. Yeah, you're born in April. Yes, and I saw you're born in April. What date? What date, Sophie? Yeah, so you're an April baby. April is, what is the zodiac sign of April? Aries. Yes, Aries. Aries is April. Aries zodiac sign. Thank you guys to all my viewers over here, my always 11 viewers over here. Thank you so much for watching my live, guys. I really appreciate that from my heart. Can't remember. I mean, I was born. I can't. If you're born in April, you're Aries in zodiac sign, I guess. Yeah, but it depends to the date. I cannot remember because I have a friend born in April, and his name is Aries. He's the son of the pastor that, you know, that owns the school of my kids. And that is why I know that April is Aries, but it depends to your day. I don't know Aries, and then next to Aries is Taurus. Okay? So this is my banana over. Kulang na lang to ng gatas, guys. Milk. To all of my viewers over here, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Daphne and Victoria 777. Thank you very much, guys. Ayan, kasi hindi ko kasi na-focus doon. Magluto lang ako, magprito lang ako ng isda. Para yung kung sino yung gusto kumain, yung eldest ko, pag kumakain siya. Kasi kanina, yung lechon manok yun. Lechon manok yung ano. Actually, yung lechon manok na yun, sobra namin ni Victoria yun kagabi. Hindi namin naubos yung lechon manok. Blah, 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 dami. Hi, guys! Soledad. April 4th. Okay, Mary JC, my God. I miss Mary JC here in my life.